Narrator's voice begins over a sweeping aerial view of the USS Abraham Lincoln cutting through the ocean, its massive deck bustling with activity. The early morning sun glints off the waves as crew members in colorful vests move with precise coordination. The vast expanse of the open ocean, a floating city, armed with some of the most advanced technology ever developed. Today, we witness a historic moment. The first integrated carrier operations of the F-35C aboard the USS Abraham Lincoln. A jet engine roar fills the air as an F-35C Lightning II streaks across the sky, banking gracefully before aligning with the carrier's runway. The F-35C, the Navy's first stealth fighter designed for aircraft carrier operations, represents the pinnacle of modern aviation. With its advanced radar systems, superior stealth capabilities, and cutting-edge avionics, it is set to revolutionize naval warfare. We transition to a briefing room where pilots and deck crew discuss the day's operation. The camera focuses on a pilot adjusting his helmet. Every takeoff, every landing, every maneuver must be executed with surgical precision. The challenge of carrier aviation is unlike any other form of flying. The deck is constantly moving, the wind is unpredictable, and the margin for error is razor thin. Back on deck, the crew signals as the F-35C prepares for takeoff. The camera zooms in on the pilot's helmet, its augmented reality display flickering with critical data. This moment is a culmination of years of training, testing, and development. The F-35C's integration into carrier operations marks a significant milestone in the Navy's journey toward next-generation warfare. The powerful catapult system engages, and in an instant, the F-35C is airborne. The camera follows the aircraft as it soars above the carrier before banking back into formation. With its larger wingspan and reinforced landing gear, the F-35C is built for the demanding environment of an aircraft carrier. Unlike its counterparts, it features folding wingtips, allowing it to maximize space efficiency on the deck. A mid-air shot captures two F-35Cs flying in formation, their pilots in constant communication. But why is this aircraft so crucial to naval operations? The answer lies in its stealth, its sensor fusion, and its network-centric warfare capabilities. The F-35C isn't just a fighter, it's a force multiplier. With its ability to share real-time data with other assets in the fleet, it enhances situational awareness like never before. Back on the carrier, the crew readies for the most challenging aspect of naval aviation, the arrested landing. Bringing a jet onto a moving deck in turbulent air with just a few hundred feet to stop. This is what separates carrier aviators from the rest. The tailhook of the F-35C must catch one of the four arresting wires to bring the aircraft to a halt in mere seconds. The camera zooms in as the jet approaches. The tension is palpable. The jet's hook makes contact, catches the wire, and within moments, the aircraft comes to a stop. A perfect trap, a testament to the skill of both the pilot and the deck crew. The cheers from the team are brief as they immediately prepare for the next launch and recovery cycle. As the sun sets, the deck remains alive with activity. The operations will continue through the night, testing the F-35C's capabilities in all conditions. Night carrier operations are a different beast altogether. Pilots rely heavily on their instruments and their training. With limited visibility, even the smallest miscalculation can have dire consequences. A night vision shot shows an F-35C making a flawless landing, its tailhook catching the wire precisely as intended. With each successful launch and recovery, the integration of the F-35C into carrier air wings becomes more seamless. The USS Abraham Lincoln is proving itself to be a crucial platform for this new era of naval aviation. A final shot of carrier from above, its lights glowing against the dark ocean as the camera slowly zooms out. This is just the beginning. As the F-35C continues its integration, the future of carrier aviation is being rewritten. The skies above the ocean are no longer just a battlefield. They are a domain where technology, strategy, and precision converge to shape the future of naval power. The screen fades to black as the sound of jet engines fades into the distance.